Hey guys, welcome to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how to change chat color on Signal Private Messenger. If you also want to know how you can change chat color on Signal Private Messenger, then make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. Now, without any further delay, let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the Signal app and make sure to get logged into your account. Now from the home screen, tap on three dots at the top right. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Now from the menu, tap on Settings option. In the Settings page, tap on Appearance option from the list. And there you will see different options. Now tap on the second option, Chat Color and Wallpaper. Now tap on Chat Color in order to change your chat color. Now by default it has been set to auto. Now you can choose any of these colors. And once you tap on this, the bubble colors on Signal will be changed. Now if you want to customize your chat color, you can tap on add icon at the last, and there you can choose either solid or gradient section and can customize your chat color. Now after you're done with customizing your chat color, tap on save button. Now head back to your chat screen. Now there you can see you have successfully changed the chat color on Signal Messenger app. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to change chat color on Signal Private Messenger. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today, and I will see you in my next video.